Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Nextdoor ads and verify conversions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Nextdoor ads, start by logging into your Nextdoor account. Once logged in, navigate to the business section located in the main menu. Select ad campaigns from the drop-down options. Here, you will see a list of all your active ad campaigns. Identify the campaign you wish to withdraw from. Click on the campaign name to open its details. Locate the option that says End Campaign, usually found at the bottom or side of the page. Confirm your decision to end the campaign when prompted. The campaign will then be marked as completed, and you will stop incurring charges. Next, to verify conversions, return to the Ad Campaigns section. Select the completed campaign you want to analyze for conversions. Look for the Performance tab within the campaign details. Click on this tab to see metrics related to your ad's performance. You will find data on impressions, clicks, and conversions. Take note of the time frame for your conversion data. Use this information to evaluate your ad's effectiveness in achieving its goals. If necessary, download or export this data for further analysis. This step will help you understand your return on investment and guide future advertising strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.